Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to watch Twitter videos in high quality. Let's begin. You can see my quality of the photos and videos are not so good. So let's see why is it so. Tap on your profile icon or a person icon, tap on it. There you can see the option of settings and support. There again down, scroll little down, there you can see settings and privacy, tap on it. Again you'll come across this page, scroll little down, there you can see the option of accessibility, display and language, tap on it. Here you can see the option of data uses, let's tap on it. Here you can again see the high quality images. It's on never. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi so that your image quality increases. While uploading also you can see that it's on never, so therefore your photos qualities are not coming in HD. So tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Again you want to watch your videos on high quality but it's on never, so tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then after, again if you want to upload your videos, then there you go, it's on never again. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi for HD quality video. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.